my name is Samantha Carter, and today I'm presenting my Horizon Report. So, my Horizon Report is on XR, which includes AR, VR, MR, and haptic technologies. But what the heck do all those letters stand for? Let's find out. XR stands for extended reality. This means that real and virtual environments are created by computer graphics and wearables. This includes augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and mixed reality, MR. The image on the top shows the different technologies that are included in each category, and the photo on the bottom shows VR in use at a college. But why this topic? Why is it important to us as educators? It allows for a fully immersive classroom. It promotes engagement and it brings real world situations into the classroom. So this bottom photo here shows a teacher scanning a pineapple into a 3D image that will be later printed on a 3D printer. The visual in the red shows a student using virtual reality to merge plant cells on this cube, which is so cool because she wouldn't be able to do that in real life. So that's really awesome. Let's look at an overview of what the Horizon Report gave us. So basically, in many higher education classrooms, the use of XR, is starting to address curricular challenges and opportunities. So how are colleges using this? I have two examples of two different colleges that are using XR in their higher education setting. The first college is the University of Leeds. They're using virtual reality to train surgeons all over the world. So these surgeons are being able to step foot into an operating room even before they're able to. They are also able to work with surgeons from all over the world, not just in the US, via the virtual reality, which is so cool. It also eliminates some of the anxieties that they would have prior to going into a real operation room. So it allows them to see what it could be like. So their quote from their website says, "We're investing ways of using virtual reality to help surgeons warm up before their first operation," which I think is so great. The next college is at Penn State University. They offer video experiences to all of their students and to the public in an online platform. This particular one is a 360-degree experience of Paris. So a student who wouldn't be able to travel to Paris has the opportunity to see what it would look like in real life. They offer this for almost every subject that they offer at their school. They have some kind of XR being used to enhance learning. How are students using it? Just a quick overview. The University of Nevada, a child who had cerebral palsy was able to have the simulation of what it would be like to walk. So they were not going to be able to walk. And then the VR allowed them to see the sensation of what it would be like to walk. At Gallaudet University, they're using it to find better ways of calibrating hearing aids. At the University of Waterloo, they used it as a 3D VR field trip for their students. So the students who weren't able to access the spongy bog or weren't able to go were able to see it through virtual reality, which is really awesome. And the last one is at Leiden University. The students who are studying medical emergencies often have a lot of anxiety because they don't know what they're going to expect. It's an emergency, so they don't know. So the VR allows them to experience some of those situations before they step into the field, which I think is awesome. And the quote there is a direct quote from the Horizon Report. Let's move on here to talk about the relevance. Why is it important? It shows a great potential for learning, and it really provides students with a unique learning experience. One study revealed that using VR in order to enhance writing left students writing at a higher complexity, which is awesome. And then I feel like this type of learning is going to become more useful and relevant in today's world because we live in such a world of technology. I'm going to pause it and